today we're looking at part number TP8K. This is your 8K tie plate for your 8K U-bolt. Each tie plate uses 2 U-bolts, and they go on like this. Boom and boom. So you got 2 U-bolts that go on here. And there's 4 U-bolts per axle and 2 tie plates. So anyways, this is your tie plate for your 8K axles, which has a 3.5 inch diameter round tube. So let's just measure it out real quick. So the overall length is going to be 7 inches by 4 inches. And it is a 1/4 inch thick steel plate. So a nice little heavy duty plate right there for you. And you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thank you.